enter bathroom, fresh air. I want to flex my love, and I want to carry my love away to a place she loves. I'm